Sweetie Pie, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this week's Shop My Stash. This is the first video I'm filming today, so this will be like the trial video before the really serious ones. This is the one like for my subscribers, you know, that normally watch me. I think that's normally the people that watch Shop My Stash. But anyways, let's get into it. I have all the stuff from last week and I'm just going to really quickly touch on some of that stuff, and then I'm going to go straight into stuff that I'm going to be using this week. Now, I have a video coming up on my channel which are products that I bought and forgot. So if that's up already, I will put it up here, and if it's coming up, then subscribe to my channel, of course. Today I am wearing the Kat Von D 10th anniversary as well as the Saint and Sinner. I'm doing a review on that as well this week. So lots of good things to look forward to. Alright guys, let's get into last week's Shop My Stash, and yeah. I love you guys. Alright guys, so to dive in, the first thing that I wanted to talk about is the Cover FX contouring kit. This is the one in neutral medium, and I find that these are very bronzy type of shades. So if you're looking through, they are on sale at Sephora. I find this so much better than the the Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring cream palette. This one is so much more blendable. You could definitely get away with using their lightest shade as a concealer. It has very good pigment to it. And yeah, I've really been enjoying this, and I want to do a video where I compare the Anastasia to the contour palette by Cover FX. I'm pretty sure I know who's going to win, but I want to just kind of do it on one side of the face so you guys can see what it's like, since both of those products have been out for quite some time. Another thing that I wanted to show you is that I did use up my brow drama. Usually the middle shade is all that I will actually use. I did use the wax for quite some time as well, but after I got the Kat Von D Brow Struck powder, which I have a review on, of course, I was sold on that. So I normally fill in my brows with a powder and a stencil. That video should be up on my channel as well if you'd like to see how I stencil in my brows. Not sure what they're looking like today. They were a little bit crooked in my eyes, but I don't know. Sometimes I think they're crooked and they're not. Sometimes they're just like way out there. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to call it quits on this one. I might depot this shade right here, but honestly, I don't know if it's really worth it because it's just a really light, shimmery, like beigey color. Not a ton of pigment, so I'll probably just call it quits on that one. Again, obviously, I am reviewing. I'm just trying to grab them now. I am going to re-review a bunch of the Sephora face palettes because I just recently got the holographic one in my sale. That video will be coming up this week as well. So it will include the contour kit, which I was using this week, the blush contour kit. Yeah, it goes like that. And also the illuminating kit and their holographic kit. They do have a spiced kit, which I probably will get at some point. And yeah, then we'll talk about it when I get it. But I am still on a very low buy. I'm really trying to look at what I'm spending on makeup and buy things that I'm really interested in. So as for that, I also had the ColourPop Brow Pomade. I love this. This is the perfect color for me. It's in Bang & Brunette. It's awesome. It's like creamy, but it still sets down in your brows. I am in love with this baby. And of course, I love the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I have taken this out, I put it back in, and I still adore it. I did use it today for the look I have here. I love Tropic Like It's Hot for kind of like a bronzer slash blush. So what I'll do is I'll bronze my cheeks and bronze all around my face, and then I will take Tropic Like It's Hot, use it as blush, blend it into the contour, and even up my face kind of with a highlighty look. The two highlights in here are beautiful. They really are. And I was listening to one of, I can't remember what YouTuber it was, that was saying mixing them was really awesome. And I definitely agree. I think mixing them was awesome. I much prefer, what is it called? Oh, come on. I much prefer Satin Sheets over Starlight. Satin Sheets is that one bottom one. It's like a goldy, pinky. Oh, it was my favorite one before I even bought it. And Starlight is just a little bit deeper. This is not for deep skin tones. This is for medium to light skin tones. They've kind of gypped you guys out this time. I know it's a growing problem. I did not use my Artist Couture, so I am going to keep it in here. I'm going to try not to move it around too much because I always get particles in the air. And it just goes everywhere. And as well, I am absolutely so sold on the Too Faced Peach Perfect. That kit I got, I'm going to put that video out really soon. It'll probably be before this video. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I think it sets the face. I set my entire face with it today, and I think it just sets the face so beautifully. I just can't tell you. Again, obviously, this is my favorite concealer, or at least one of my favorite concealers, the Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer. I used it 3 times this week, and then I used my Project Pan concealers twice. I just can't help it. The Evian... Okay, I know this is ridiculous. This is the Evian facial spray. It's water in a spray gun. But honestly, I don't like a lot of setting sprays, and you know, sometimes I just want to get that powderiness over with and go on with my day. But I find that this is the most beautiful thing to set your face with, wet a brush with, you know, all that kind of stuff. I wouldn't wet your beauty blender like all the way through with it because that would be a waste, but I have set my face with it. I have been really happy with it. Also, one more thing that I wanted to mention is that I did get a crap ton of pigments from Donny Eyes Cosmetics before she changed her website, when she had like 300 pigments on it. And I'm really excited. I'm going to do just kind of a haul type of video this week showing you, and then I'm going to try and use as many as I can and do the review next week. I do have one of her premium ones, and I want to get more because I didn't realize in my own head that I didn't get, you know, a few more, because they are what she's really, really popular for. But anyway, let's get on with this Shop My Stash. If you guys listened to all of that, thank you so much. And yeah, let's get into the good stuff. So now you're getting a tiny little sneak peek into the products that I bought and forgot. Now these are all going into my Shop My Stash for this week. I want to be able to use them and all that jazz. And it includes like primer, bronzer, face powders, concealer, highlighters, and 2 eyeshadow palettes. So those will be going in there. I'm going to need a foundation, and because last week was so hot, I'd like to use just like a really lightweight foundation. I'm just kind of, you know what, oh, I did use this last week. I could, I have to powder that one a little too much. You know what, we're going to go with tried and true here. We're going to go with the Better Skin Superstay. Hopefully it will not fail me, and because I've got a good face powder, I should be good for next week as well. I do get Monday off. I am filming this a little earlier than Monday when I actually release them. But, oh, you know what? I'm going to throw this in. This is the contour kit by Anastasia because I want to do that video next week. Powders I have, let's see. I could go for a blush. I'm going to go for a couple blushes because I don't want a blush palette this week. Let's go for this one, and let's go for this one. So this is the Milani Baked Blush in Bella Bellini. This is the Tarte Blush in Tipsy. And this is the Partey blush that everyone got in their birthday last year from Sephora. I think I have enough highlighters. Yes, I really do. So nothing out of this drawer. This is going to be a really short one. I grabbed eyeshadows for this week. Let's grab out, I should try and use some of these eyeshadows in here. Let's just try throwing out a few. I love this one. This is like one that I could never tell you where to get it because I don't know where. It's like one of those kits you would get at Walmart, but I love this shade. It's so beautiful. I can't believe I got it in a set like that. You know what? Let's throw in this one. This is the NYX one in Tin. I don't have a ton of eyeshadows like this, but I will once I start out the Donny Eyes Cosmetics. Alright, concealer. I have a concealer for this week, so I'm not going to worry about that. I want to use a few of these, I never use these. These are the ColourPop Supernova shadows. I'm going to throw these in because I don't have a ton of eye products, so I think I'll be able to handle that. Primers, I have 2 primers actually in my collection for this week. And then for mascaras, I am going to, I should throw these 2 in just to get a feel for them. This is the Kevyn Aucoin, the Expert Mascara. Has a weird wand, and then this one is the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash. I am going to start doing 1 look a week where I am just taking pictures of the mascara itself because I'd like to get that video done at some point. But yeah, guys, that is everything, and yeah, let's just go back to future Melissa. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this Shop My Stash. I know it was kind of a quick one, but I have quite a few videos that I want to film this weekend, and I didn't want to make this one super long and drawn out. Tell me, do you guys like it better if I really talk about the stuff I used last week, or if you'd like me to get it done and see what's in my stash for this week? Always, 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 always go to my Instagram if you're actually interested in my Shop My Stash and how these products work throughout the week. I post a look of the day every single day on my Instagram. It's always linked in my bio. All you have to do is click it, subscribe, or follow me, I guess, and then you can see all the looks I do throughout the week using the products that I picked on Shop My Stash. I love it. I love doing it that way, and I hope more of you guys go down there, check it out. If you checked out this video and you subscribed and you want to see more of the makeup actually being used, I do link everything, pretty much everything that I use, and if there's any, anything you want to know about or anything like that, then just let me know and I can totally link that as well in my Instagram post or wherever. Alright guys, I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed your day. I hope you guys enjoyed your long weekend or am enjoying it. I guess it's Monday when I'm posting this, so some people will be like last day of their long weekend. Anyway, I love you guys, mwah, and have a really great day, night, evening, whatever.